What's up, guys? It's Alexia here.
And it's Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be a get ready with us. Not just us two, but Andrea, our sweet mate, and then Taylor's coming later. And we're going to get ready for this party we're going to tonight. It's the first party of the semester that we have gone to, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and yeah, tomorrow we're also playing Graham. But I think I think I'm gonna post this video after that because I'm gonna post the Gram one like pronto. Period. But yeah, we're about to get ready. I'm about to take a shower. She's about to flat iron her hair. And yeah, so we're just gonna, y'all just gonna see us get ready for this party we're going to tonight. So yeah, let's just, start getting ready.
Okay.
If you don't want the girl to talk, you don't want your feelings hurt. Cause if you don't, that girl just gonna go spreading the word. The girls are talking.
So yes, we have Selena vibes. We have the shirt, which is from, where's the shirt from?
Rainbow.
Yes, we love a rainbow top. And we have necklaces from
Forever 21.
Yes, just got that yesterday.
Right.
Pants from
Adrienne.
my closet. Shoes from Payless.
Yeah, Payless. Say more.
And yes, this is This is her for the night. Yes, if you see her, you see her.
That's her.
Next we have Miss Alexia Booker coming up to the floor.
Alright.
Let them know. Yes, give them a twirl.
Give them a twirl.
Yes, the top is from.
Where's it from? I'm dead.
Oh. It's okay, girl.
Charlotte Russe.
Charlotte
Top
Russe.
is from Charlotte Russe.
And the skirt.
Skirt is from Charlotte Russe.
And the shoes.
The heels, I forget. I think OTC shoes in Baton Rouge.
And yes, that's the look for tonight. And
This one is number one.
okay, and you know, these are the two baddies for the night. All right, my turn.
Camera. Now.
Okay, so wait, then where is top from? What should I head downstairs? No, not yet. Okay, so this top is from Amazon.
Boom.
These shorts, I'm embarrassed, they're from Aeropostale. Okay, what's $7?
I'm dead.
And these shoes.
Boom.
Yes, they were from Charlotte Russe, $4. Yeah, that's my look for tonight.
Period.
All black, simple, yet makes a statement.
Period.
We got my girl Janizia, yes, in the cut.
Hi. This is my first time being on camera. But I just got a little basic outfit. Top from Route 21.
Yes.
Heels from Fashion Nova.
Yes.
Heels from Charlotte Russe.
Yeah.
Baddie on a budget.
Yeah. Wow. Y'all look really nice. Wow. Girl Taylor, tell them where the fit is from.
H&M.
Yes.
Forever 21.
Ooh.
Vans.
Ooh.
Forever 21.
Yes.
And Wig by K.
Yes.
Selena.
Give them a twirl. Yes. And this is a baddie. When you see her, you see her. Yes.
See me.
Yeah. This is Taylor's first college party. Oh.
About to get
Ready, go. Taylor. Taylor. Taylor.
I hope I ain't forget. I think I did though.
About to go in. Everybody ready? Ooh.
Ready.
Ooh.
I'm not even in there.
I'm sorry.
Oh, ready.
What is this?
Over it, baby. She knows me.
So, that's alright. We are back from the party, and we just got some KOK. Some people thought it was a great idea to sit in my car, so that was fun. Lex, how you feeling?
I'm tired.
Really tired. We have the game of course tomorrow, so I don't want to catch. I'm about to wipe my face. It's just
Period. Wipe my feet off for sure. And lay down.
yeah. It was. The party was cool.
It's too hot for this.
And I'm just really tired. I'm about to eat.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, they say bye.
Oh,
Yeah, they can't see.
bye again. Bye.
Wait, let me focus on you. Oh,
Get in the morning.
see you guys in my next video.
No wig.
Like, comment, and subscribe, all that jazz, and we'll see you in my next video.
We're out.
Did you want to slam the camera?